enhance your resume, skills and certification section. Worry not, this will be a quick one. To begin with, list the skills that are relevant to your job profile, showcasing your proficiency in key areas. Boost your credibility with certifications that prove your expertise. With these tips, your resume will certainly make a strong impression. Now, let's craft an impressive work experience section for your resume. Use strong action verbs like led, developed, and managed to show what you did. Quantify your achievements with numbers to highlight your success. Highlight your best accomplishments from your previous role. Also, mention any transferable skills gained that are relevant to other jobs. Don't write too much. Keep the description simple and to the point. With these tips, your resume will stand out to potential employers.